In this video, we'll learn how to download and install Dev C++ on a Windows computer. First, open your web browser and search for Dev C++. Now, click on the official SourceForge link. Once you're on the page, scroll down and click on the download button. The download will begin shortly. If not, click the direct link to manually start it. Once the file is downloaded, go to your Downloads folder and double-click on the installer. The installation wizard will open. First, select your preferred language and click OK. Now, you'll see the license agreement. You can read through the GPL license if you wish. Once you're ready, click I agree. In the next window, you'll be asked to select the components to install. Keep everything selected and click Next. Here, you can choose your installation location. The default is usually fine, but you can change it if needed. Click Install to continue. The installation will now begin. It may take a few seconds to complete. Once it's finished, click Finish to launch Dev C++.